Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make group video calls in Messenger. So it's pretty simple, but as it says in your name, how you guys can make a group video call, first you need to make a group on your Messenger, alright? So if you don't have a group, then there's no way you can make a group call. So let me first make a group. You want to click on this pen icon at the top, click on create a new group, and select the number of people you want in that group by searching their name like this, and click on next after choosing all the person you want to be in this group. And you want to choose a name for this group. I'm going to name this group D. I'm going to click on create, and then this group is created. Now once this group is created, to make a group video call, I can just click on this icon over here at the top, and a group video call will be made just like this. Just like that, a group video call was made. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can make a group video call. So let me show you guys again how you guys can make it. Click on this button and wait for 3 seconds, and your group video call will be made. And if they pick up, they will join, and if they don't, they won't. So to stop it, you can click on this red button over here, click on it, and a group video call has been stopped. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day. Peace.